In this lecture, we are going to see the remaining options and tools that are available in WP Rocket Cache plugin. Coming to the database tab, here we can see post cleanup, comments cleanup, transients cleanup, database cleanup, and some other too. What this essentially does is almost same as WP database or WP optimizer plugin in our previous page speed optimization technique. This tab just replaces those entire plugins. Now let's see what you can do with this tab. Just select revisions, auto drafts, trashed posts, spam comments, trashed comments, and then click Save and Optimize button. When you click on this button, all the checkboxes that you have checked will be deleted from your database. That is, your database will be cleaned. What is this post revisions? Whenever you publish a post, the first revision is created, and whenever you make a change, for each change you make and for each time you click on the update button, a revision is created. So normally you don't require the previous revisions of changes that you have made. So when you check on this checkbox and click Save and Optimize, those revisions will get deleted. Similarly, you can delete all the auto drafts, trashed post, spam and trashed comments, and unused tables in your database. You can even schedule automatic cleanup too. You may consider weekly or monthly automatic cleanup options. But coming to transients, I don't recommend to clear expired or all transients. Sometimes this may mess up with your database. So don't do this. That is, don't check these two checkboxes. Remaining checkboxes doesn't matter. If you still want to clean them, go clean it. Else just uncheck them and check the ones that you want. Then click Save and Optimize. If you're so lazy to clean your website periodically, you can choose automatic cleanup. But I recommend you to manually run it whenever you are free or whenever you have got lots of revisions or drafts or trashed posts. Let's move to Preload tab. Whenever you click the Clear Cache in WP Rocket, you can do a preload cache. And when you click on this preload cache, all the cache files that are cleared will get preloaded automatically. That's what's done with this manual preload. But when you choose automatic, then WP Rocket Cache automatically preloads your contents and creates the cache files. Choose manual and select Save Changes. If you are going to provide a sitemap to preload, then enter the URL of that sitemap here and activate the automatic sitemap preloading. If you have installed Yoast SEO plugin, then WP Rocket Cache should automatically detect it. In case the field has got the default gray text, then you can manually enter your sitemap URL here. The sitemap creation process is explained in the next section. But just be aware, if you choose to preload your cache, whenever you clear the cache, your server will get a lot of stress to load all your pages and cache them. So it's upon you to decide whether to activate this automatic preloading or not. Coming to CDN. If you have bought any CDN from Amazon or Max CDN or any other CDN network, then you can enable CDN and configure it under this tab. But at this point of time, instead of going to CDN, I advise you to go to cloud hosting plus Cloudflare. That will give you the best possible speed for your website. Keep CDN as the last option. Let's go to the Varnish tab. This is the last option that we are going to see in this lecture. If you check this checkbox, the varnish cache will be purged or cleaned each time whenever you clear cache using this option. You should activate this option only when your server is using varnish. If you don't know or if you're not sure whether your server is using varnish, then just uncheck this option. But how you can know whether your server is using varnish or not? Simple, just ask your hosting provider. Just write a ticket or do live chat with them and check it. Here comes the tools such as to clear cache, preload cache, purge op cache, that is similar to varnish clear cache. And you can back up your WP Rocket Cache plugins configuration. And later, you can choose that backup and restore those configuration. These are available under Tools and also under WP Rocket Cache admin board. With this, you have successfully configured all of these WP Rocket Cache plugins options. Regarding this WP Rocket Cache plugin alone, apart from my help, you also get the support from this plugin's author since you have paid a premium to buy this plugin. Enter a summary of what's going wrong or what trouble you are facing in one sentence here. Under description box, explain your issue. Then check this checkbox to give your consent and click Send Your Ticket button. That's it. You will get response from the WP Rocket Cache author himself. In the next lecture, I just want to talk to you about some of the hosting providers I recommend to avoid and the reasons behind them.